this video, we will show how to access the injector assembly. By using either a crosshead screwdriver or nut driver, unthread and remove the two long bolts that are holding the injector cover in place. Next, remove the injector screen and ensure that it is clear of any rust, dirt, or debris. The screen's purpose is to help protect the injector set by capturing any possible debris. Using a wrench, loosen and remove the brass compression nut in order to detach the brine line elbow so that you can easily access the injector set. Using a flathead screwdriver, unthread the injector nozzle and remove it away from the valve body. Notice the very tiny hole in this nozzle. You want to ensure that it is not plugged with any dirt and debris. Then use the flathead screwdriver to unthread the injector throat, which is located deeper into the valve body. Then you'll need to use a dental instrument, for example, to pluck out the throat as seen here. Then you'll want to ensure that there's no debris in both the injector port as well as the injector screen port. Scrape off any staining or buildup on the outside and inside of the injector screen. And for what it's worth, you can easily replace with a new screen. Let's first look at the injector throat and delicately clean out any possible dirt and debris. Then, let's do the same with the injector nozzle. You will notice that the hole for the nozzle is extremely tiny, and when cleaning it, you want to ensure that you're being delicate and not reaming on the hole to enlarge it. The injector set has been precision drilled to a specific diameter. Another option is you can replace with a new injector set. Just be aware that there are many different colors available, so if you're replacing an injector set, you must match it to the exact same color. The drilled hole sizes differ based on the color of the injector set, and if you don't use the correct color, it will affect the performance of the softener in a negative way. This is the injector cover. You want to ensure that this O-ring is in position and not pinched or torn, or else it will cause a leak. Whenever placing the O-ring onto the injector cap or replacing with a new O-ring, please apply a light amount of silicone grease onto the O-ring, as we do not want the O-ring to be in a dry state. When reassembling the injector assembly, we first need to screw the injector throat into the valve body, nice and snug. Do not over-tighten, as you will risk breaking or snapping the injector throat. Then you'll thread the injector nozzle nice and snug into place as well. Then slide the injector screen into its port. Ensure that the O-ring is in position before placing the injector cover into place, and then tighten the two bolts using a crosshead screwdriver or nut driver. And then finally, using a wrench, thread the brine line elbow's brass compression nut back into place.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.